What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Maya the Stylist, and I'm back with another video. So you're probably wondering why I'm looking at a green wall, because I look a hot mess, so we're gonna bypass that. But today I'm gonna be showing you guys my 2020 room tour. It's a small room. I try to make it modern, elegant, classy, chic, just like me. So of course, let's get started. Right here I have a bar stool. I don't remember where I got the bar stool, but I think it probably was like 10 bucks, which is incredible because bar stools are really expensive. This little dresser right here, I stole it from my brother, and I decorated with some bling edges. And then this little paper right here, I got it from Joann's. The treasure chests, I think I got it from Dee Dee's, and they probably like 10 to 20 bucks a piece, and they was actually pink, white, and black, and I just spray paint them silver, a metallic silver that I got from Walmart. I really like that. The boxes right here, I got these from Dollar Tree, so they changed from black to silver. I found 6 at Dollar Tree. I didn't see any more. I'm so happy that I got these. I had these for almost a year. They flimsy, and they got like a paper to hold the bottom, but that can get wet and whatever. So I just keep my hair stuff in here, my face stuff, my body stuff, my jewelry. My purse is down below. I probably have a purse collection soon, but you guys let me know if you want to see my purses. I probably had like 50 purses. I gave a lot away. Right here I got these little stencils from Dollar Tree that girls can do anything, so I thought it was a cute little touch. Only $1. This picture frame, I made it. Little baby pictures. Let me see if I can. Ooh, hot mess. We ain't gonna zoom in. That initial of my first name, Maya. My grandma got it for me. This picture, I don't remember where I got it from. Probably my grandma, and she let me decorate it with bling around the corner. I got the bling from Joann's or Walmart. It's run from like $2 to $3 a roll. Right here, these pictures I got from, I think it was from Ross. I think it was like 20 for 4 of these was 20 bucks. This lamp right here, I got from Walmart. This picture here, I either got it from Burlington or Walmart. Burlington or Dee Dee's. I think it was like 25 or 30 bucks. This little small TV got from Walmart. I'm gonna upgrade, but it was no reason to upgrade. I just have it sitting on the dresser. The dresser was brown. I spray painted black, and I put like a fur rug on top of it, like I super glue it on there. So that is this side, you guys. Of course, you got the Cinnamon Toast Crunch in the corner. And this one was like, I think pink, and I painted it green. It was $10 at Home Depot. The white curtains, I believe me and my grandma got it from Burlington. You know, got the window AC. This blanket right here, I just bought it. I love the blanket. I like the soft suede. On the other side, it's a different material, cotton. So I just got a bunch of pillows with glitter, white fur, whatever. These little snowflakes, whatever, I probably got it from Ross. Probably like 15 bucks. So that was a cute little touch. Not too much, but not too little. Just enough. This right here, I made it. It actually glittered. I'm gonna get close to it, you guys. So I got the glitter and the bling. This little M sign, my grandma, she found it somewhere. I got 3 M's, you guys. So she found it somewhere. I also put bling around my border, my bed border. So that was a little cute little touch. I got my ring light, got it from Amazon. So I just stashed that right there until I'm ready to take pictures and whatever. And then of course, if you already saw my makeup tour, you already know where I got this from. I love it, bling bling. Let me zoom in for you guys. Same thing on this side. Got the bling around the dresser. Let me scoot back so you can see the dresser. This dresser was brown. I just keep spray painting it black. It's not perfect, but it's something. You know, printer, $30 printer that I have to switch out every 3 months because it's cheap and no good. So that don't even work. I got this cup from Dollar Tree, the candle from Dollar Tree. I made this Dollar Tree, everything from Dollar Tree. You know, I got the palettes, makeup palettes. Got the trash can right in the corner. Over here I got my fan. I want a small fan. My fan, I want a small fan. I forgot what it's called, but I want a small one. But this one I don't like how like the 4 things are out. And then this mirror right here. I know you see my little leg brace. This mirror right here, I got it from Walmart. My grandma bought it for me. It was 30 bucks from Walmart. So I really like that. She added that, so I just let her do her thing. So yeah, you guys, that's my small room tour. Oh, these pictures, Relax and Dream from Dollar Tree. You guys, my room is on a budget, but it looks so elegant and nice. I love it. From Dollar Tree. The ring light around the mirror, my grandma made it and her friend. Got the lights from Walmart, so I got my own little vanity little mirror right there. Them 2 little flowers right there, I made it from Dollar Tree. That picture frame with Dollar Tree. It was my 25th birthday. Let me zoom in for you guys. Hey guys, so my room tour. Small but very simple, relaxing when I come home. We're not the best painter, so if you see problems with the ceiling, just ignore that. And of course I got the little like a door hanger that I hang my towels on and whatever. If you like the video, make sure you subscribe, like the video, comment, and let me know what you guys want to see next. So thank you for supporting my channel, and see you again. Bye.